Welcome to this week's Memorial Rundown. I'm Lourdes, and here with me today is Gail, our 2018 Pet Therapy Award winner. But more on this later. First, Memorial Regional's trauma team was back in the media limelight for their outstanding work of training the Broward community with Stop the Bleed. The team recently joined forces with Broward schools and local EMS agencies in training about 2,000 Broward teachers and school personnel on how to use the life-saving kits. Training began on August 6th and will continue through the school year until all 246 schools have received training. Several news outlets were on hand recently to cover the team's training at New River Middle School.
This is going to happen across the county. Over 240 schools are involved. We've already taught over 1,600 teachers. I really want people to realize that they can make a difference.
Welcome back. I'm here with Gail. Gail is the recipient of the 2018 Animal Therapy Award by the Planetree International organization. Officials at the organization noted that Gail was chosen due to her talents, which include responding to autistic patients by blanketing the person with her body to give a therapeutic hug. The Planetree Review Board heard stories of her gentle and intuitive patient interactions that have truly impacted patient outcomes. Thank you for watching. Make sure to send us your news and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Links to our previous episodes are in the description area below.